In this video, I will teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Amazon credit card account. Alright, now normal way of logging into your Amazon, it's not going to work. You need to go to a separate website and I'll show you the exact website on which you have to go. So follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then hit that subscribe button and let's move on. First step, you just want to go to amazon.syf.com. You can pause the video to see what I have written over here, which is amazon.syf.com. Alright, once you write this on your browser, search for it. It's going to take you to the exact place where you have to go in order to log in into your Amazon credit card account. Now once the web page loads up over here, just enter your user ID and then enter the password of your account. And once you do that, just click on secure login and you should be able to log in into your Amazon credit card account. But if you were not able to log in somehow, you can click on user ID or password over here to recover your user ID or password, whichever thing you forgot. And if you want to register or apply for it, you can click on these two options to do that. Alright, so hope you guys understand. If you guys are new to our channel, want to step, hit that subscribe button. I will see you guys in my future video. Until next time, bye bye.